Welcome back to Noviland. It is a beautiful day in paradise. Here in late December, it's close to 60 degrees. A little overcast and breezy, but I'll take it any day in December that's this warm. It's not snowing or anything. It's not cold. I don't even need a winter jacket today. It's beautiful and I have a lot to be grateful for. I've been working my butt off. No, I'm not putting it on the video for you to see. Working on reconciling all the things for my accountant. Working on my own things, my YouTube channel. Working on some of the searches, some of the links I've been posting. Working on my physical body and trying to be as healthy as I can. And it's made for some long days, and I'm grateful for it. Long days, I'm not really getting paid anything to do the things I'm doing. But I have faith. I know it's going to work out because I could feel it. I could feel that I'm doing the right things. And I feel so good and excited about what's to come. And I could see it working out. I know it's going to work out. And it's going to happen in ways that I don't even know how it's going to happen. In some ways that are better than anything I expect. Because that's the way it always works for me. It's what happens when you create your own luck. And you start believing in yourself and the universe and know that you could do it. Know that you could overcome anything and everything. Because I've done it before. Over and over and over again. And every time I've gotten into some tight spots, I've always been able to figure it out. Sometimes the answer is obvious. And sometimes I can't see it. But I just move in the direction that feels right, that seems like the right thing to do, and trust the universe to guide me, adjust my path, bring the right opportunities into my vision, and show me exactly what I need to be doing, where I need to be going. Sometimes it's easy, like walking down this path. Only one real way to go. It's up or down. Sometimes it's not so easy. And the path forks. Or the path ends, but you know you need to go further. It's not always easy to be patient. We're all kind of living in this 3D existence, but we have minds that are capable of so much more. Minds that touch and are capable of being in further dimensions beyond the 3 dimensions that we exist in. Imagination that is completely unlimited. And a guidance system of your feelings that tell you if you're on track or not. Use that guidance system. Trust that you're going on the right path. Trust that you're doing the right things. You know if you are or not. If you're not sure, trust your feelings, as Yoda would have said. You feel good? You feel good about what you're doing? Are you excited about what's coming? Are you excited about the opportunities? I am. I feel like I'm in the beginning of a greater journey than anything I've been on before. Oh, look at that beautiful full pond. It's kind of green and brown looking today, but it looks beautiful. It's calm. I'm on a journey that's going to take me to a beautiful place. And just like I document my musical journey and some of the other things that I've documented, check out my video on my money processes testimonial, and you'll see what I accomplished in the last year that was beyond anything I thought I could do. It took me to a great place, and now it's time for the next part of my journey, and it's going to take me to an even better place. And I don't know what it's going to be, but I'm excited to find out. How about you? What are you doing on your journey? Where's your journey taking you? It's taking you over this bridge? Mine is. Onto the next cool path, the other side of the lake. I don't usually film too much. It's kind of wet down here sometimes. Sometimes it's overgrown, but it's a beautiful path, and it goes on. Wow, there's even bugs in December. Who knew? Yeah, the best is yet to come. The best is always yet to come. If we're patient, and I have the time and the energy to be patient, it will take us to a beautiful place. Like this. Now this is a beautiful place. Kind of overlooking the pond, the sky and the ridge. It makes me happy to be up here. Love you all. Wish you were here. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell people, and love each other, love yourself. I love you. Bless you. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas.